Hello, 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 hello. It's Friday again. I can't believe, you guys, that it's been the entire week of constant calls and emails and messages. Thank you so very much for studying with me and for being with me here online, learning English in a stress-free, relaxed, fun way. Some of my very special students requested a lesson on compounds. It's Friday and we know that there are 2 days ahead of us, Saturday and Sunday, of maybe not total relax, but some fun activities. Do you have plans for the weekend? Do you know what you'll be doing? Me too. I'm going to Tuscany, I'm going to the seaside. Good, 2 days. So I will be off for 2 days, or I will be off on a 2-day trip. What has just happened? On a 2-day... Suzanne, you made a mistake. It's 2 days. No, I understand why you feel this way. And it's very common. And it happens to many people. But it's not a mistake, okay? Stay with me. So, if we have a compound number and a word that shows us what this number refers to, for example, 10 days or 12 kilometers. Can you see it? Many of my students say you can't see my blackboard, and I love it and I want you guys to see it well, okay? Regardless of whether the number is written with a number or with a word, okay, it's the same thing, okay? What we have here, 10 days, 12 kilometers, 2 hours, okay? This is normal, this is okay. There is a number and there is a plural noun. So far, so good. So, what did I just do? Why did I say I will be off on a 2-day trip? Well, this, ladies and gentlemen, is a compound adjective. It's an adjective. Yes. So, the same way that I would say on a beautiful trip, expressing the characteristic of my trip. I hope it's nice and sunny and maybe I'll have a swim in the sea, who knows? Okay. So the same way that I'll be describing the quality with the word beautiful or pretty or exciting or nerve-wracking, okay, I can describe it with a compound adjective where one bit is a number and the other one is the word that describes that number. But if my 10 days turn into an adjective, then some cosmetic changes have to be made, okay? Very little things have to be done, but we do need to show people that it's not a number and a noun anymore, that now they are one thing, one unit, that they are an adjective. So, what cosmetic changes can I do? You've already heard that, right? This final S will disappear. Okay. Let's make it disappear. Making the S disappear. We're almost there. There you go. Ta-tam! Not there. Good. That's not everything, okay? It's still a bit confusing. Now it's a mistake. So, another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hyphen, not iPhone, hyphen, the number and the word. Okay, that's the second part of the cosmetic surgery of changing 2 nouns into an adjective. Okay? But because it's an adjective, it will describe another noun that's going to be here. And here we're going to place an article. You okay with that? Can we do this? Cool. So, a 2-day journey. A 3-day course. A 12-kilometer run, not 12 kilometers anymore, because these two nouns, a number and a noun, they've undergone a change, and here it is. Can you see this? Do you understand? These are adjectives now, okay? So if you want to take a break, you could say, let's take a break, or let's take 5 minutes, or let's take a 5-minute break. Very good. A 5-minute, singular, break. Splendid. Splendid, splendid, splendid. I am sure that if you go online and check and read maybe an article or two, you will find compound adjectives with a number in it, because they are very common, very popular. Same situation will happen if you use a fraction, okay? So a third or a half, okay? But they need to be followed by, well, something else. It's not sufficient. So you will need 1/3 of flour. You can say, I have wanted. That's a beautiful compound, but it's a verb, okay? So it's going to be a little bit different. 1/3, okay? Have wanted. It's possible. And if you want to create these compounds with fractions, you still need to hyphen them. Think about the hyphen as a nice way of showing people that what you have in mind is one unit of speech, that it's not two separate bits anymore. It's one thing, okay? It's an adjective or it's a verb. I have wanted to call my friend this morning, but then I decided that I needed to talk to you. So, first, my students, all right? Do you guys understand? If you need anything, please let me know below. Leave me a comment, don't be shy. Maybe you would like to leave me a comment with a couple of compounds and we can have a look at them together. All right? I wish you a glorious weekend. I'm sure you will find something splendid to do for this 2-day break. Good. All right. I can see that now you really can master the complex and compounds word and the world of complex adjectives. I'm here for you if you need me. A big kiss, a gigantic hug, and I will see you soon. Have a great weekend.